Is IT finished in 2026? Are layoffs a sign that tech jobs are over? Or is this just fear spreading on social media? If you are a student or already working in IT, this video might change your thinking. So let me tell in the comment section first, do you feel IT is risky right now? Yes or no? Let's talk honestly. So in this video, we'll be talking about in different 5 parts. The part number 1, what is actually happening, the truth about the IT jobs. In the third part, we'll be talking about why some people are struggling. The fourth part, that is still skills that make IT safe. In part 5, is IT still paying well? And we'll conclude with our strong ending. Okay, so let's start with our first part 1, that what is happening, what is actually happening in the background. In 2026, we are seeing everywhere AI. In 2026, we are seeing AI everywhere. Like we are using ChatGPT, we are using automation tool, we are using coding assistant, we are using Copilot. So many people are asking, if AI can code, then what is the developer do? What will the developer do? Have you ever thought about this? Do you think AI will replace programmers? So let me know in the comment section what is your thought. Now let me discuss about the part 2, that is the truth about the IT jobs. Here is the reality. It is not dying, it is changing. Earlier companies needed people to just write the code. Now companies need people who understand problems. They can use AI smartly, build secure system, manage the cloud system, protect the data. So the question is, are you upgrading yourself or staying in the same place? So what new skill you are learning in 2026? Let me know in the comment section if you are learning a new skill or not. And if you are not learning, start learning skills. Now let me discuss about the third part on this video, why some people are struggling. Yes, layoff happened, but ask yourself, why are those people updating their skills? Technology changes every 2 to 3 years, right? So technology, if changing in 2 to 3 years, if someone stop learning, is the stand is the it is the industry wrong, or is the mindset wrong? So that is the big question. So when was the last time you learned a new tool, or are you upgrading yourself or not? So the question that you have to answer in the comment section, when was the last time you learned a new tool or have completed your new certification? Now let me discuss about the part 4 on this video. The title is skills that make IT safe. If you want to save in IT in 2026, focus on the AI and the machine learning certification. Then go for the cloud like AWS Azure certification. Learn any of the thing which is related to AWS and Azure. Learn the cybersecurity, learn the data related tools, learn the automation, learn the communication skill, because today companies don't just hire coders, they hire problem solvers. So let me ask you, are you just coding or solving any real problem? Let me ask the question once again, are you just coding or just solving real problems? So you have to focus on the real problem, not just writing the coding, because AI can easily write the code. So that's why there is a shift. Okay, now let me discuss about part 5, that is it still paying well? Is IT still paying well? Simple answer, it is yes. High skilled IT professionals are still earning more than most industries, but average skill equal to average salary. So remember, what do you want to be, average one or the valuable one? So for that, let me ask you one question, that whatever you have learning, is that valuable or not? So already I have discussed few skill, so try to learn those. Okay, now let me give the final verdict or final truth, that is, let me say this clearly: IT is safe in 2026, but only for those who move with changes. Move with changes. Okay, so if you stay static, IT is risky. If you keep learning, IT is powerful. So the real question is not that is IT safe. The real question is, are you ready to grow or not? Are you planning to build your career in IT in 2026, or are you thinking of switching fields? Let's discuss in the comment. And if you want a roadmap video on how to build a secure IT career step by step, tell me below. I'll be creating one video for that. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.